Welcome back, guys, to our channel. Me and my wife, we are here. We are going to make a few tacos, and I'm going to shred my cabbage. And you're going to look and see how I shred my cabbage very thin. Hand over to my wife.
This is
First, let me wash the cabbage off.
okay.
Back to you guys. Now I'm ready to shred my cabbage, and my wife will do the rest of speaking.
We don't eat the lettuce on our tacos. Sometimes we do, but mostly we eat cabbage. So this is why he's chopping up the cabbage. He's gonna make a little, make it a different way.
I'm trying to shred it as thin as I can. Shred it like a grater. I'm very skilled at what I'm doing, guys. I've been doing this since I was like 15 years old. Cooking. I have a passion for cooking from I was a child. I'm very good at what I do too. Even though they say self-praise is no recommendation, but I know what I'm gifted for.
Amen.
You still want more?
Yeah, you might as well finish it. Don't waste it.
It's going down to the heart, guys. So I guess this is gonna be the end of it.
You can also take a shredder and shred it up like that as well, but it's just quicker if we do it like this.
And what you can also do too, guys, you can also fold it like this and then go like this. Cut it like this again. Left to how thin you want it. A lot of you guys, cabbage can also be eaten raw. You don't have to steam it. You just shred it thin and just put the ingredients on it and it's good to go. Look at it. Show it to them, guys. Show it to them. It's very thin. Okay, guys.
You need your lime. Your lime?
Okay guys, I'm gonna squeeze a half.
Want to fit in there?
Yeah. I'm gonna put the cabbage into a small bowl. And then I'm gonna squeeze a half a lime in it to build up the taste. That's it, guy. I'm gonna just turn it over like this. And it also gives it a good flavor too. Okay guys, I'm gonna put a little mayonnaise into it as well. 2 teaspoons of mayonnaise. I'm gonna mix it up. Also guys, I'm gonna put just a little pack of sugar in it.
Prepare the tacos. We're gonna get the chicken, but yes, this is really good. You can also add a little black pepper and salt and stuff in it to taste.
You need black pepper in it?
Yeah, that'll be good.
Okay guys, just add a little black pepper.
You gonna do a pinch of salt? It's up to you if you want it salt.
No,
Okay.
okay. If you want, you can add it.
Just a pinch. We're just making some chicken tacos, and this is how we brown the tacos. It's ready to flip over to the other side now. Check to see.
Flip it over and
Let me give it a little more on the other side here. Okay, it's ready to go. and flip it over to the other side. I'm just getting it brown on each side. And a lot of times it'll start to get some little bubbles on the inside of it. You just mash it, or you just take the fork and poke them.
My wife loves to eat tacos. It's too late for us to eat too heavy right now, so that's why we're making these tacos.
So true. It's a pretty one.
Yeah.
This is how it's done. And they make some wonderful tacos. Let me give you a look at it. Chicken. What I did here was I shredded up, I boiled the whole chicken. And then I took the bones out and everything. Shredded it up and put taco seasoning in it. And a little tomatoes.
Oh guys, now I'm ready to make the taco. This is one down.
That's good.
Tuition being too expensive, they have generational concerns. How do you, as an adult, grow in or connect with that? You said it's multi-generational. It's multi-generational. I have kids. I have a 22-year-old and a 25-year-old. Climate change. Let's start right there. I believe that Bernie and his embrace of green.
And this is another taco, guys.
In 2008, it was Barack Obama who brought young people in, who brought African Americans out in record numbers.
partner.
Movement really is our campaign, not business as usual. The American people do not want a status quo, and I feel this as a parent, where you have to wonder if the next generation is going to.
Show them what the chicken look like in the taco. Okay.
These are all healthy meal, guys. Healthy meal. I hope you tried it. That's it.
That's it. Okay. Well, these are our tacos. Very, very delicious looking. And this is how we eat them. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.